My dear fellow collectors, I want to show you today again how I recreate the ponytail swirl hairstyle. It's one of my creative solution videos. I've done already one last summer, but I was able to degreen her, my blonde ponytail swirl, in the last 1.5 years. I know it's a long time, but I managed it, and I want to show you how we recreate this hairstyle in a short video. Please don't forget, after the polyboy bath, the hair can be a little mess. The rubber bands are very dry now. I think I have to remove them. And the hair itself is a mess. I have to comb it before we do anything. So the next step is combing it first. This time I use a regular rubber band, not a small one, not one of my very little ones. I'm using a normal one. And why I'm using one, that's what I'm going to show you in a minute. Okay? So, the ponytail is a little bit too high for my hairstyle. Ich habe sie gerade zu hoch. Der Zopf war gerade ein bisschen zu hoch. Das ist ein bisschen schwierig, wenn man das von der Seite macht. It's a little bit hard when you do it from the side, because you have to control it. Not perfect. I think I have to redo it another time, because da stimmt noch was nicht, da muss ich es nochmal machen. Ansonsten habe ich es noch nicht ganz so fest, wie ich es brauche. I have to tighten the hair a little bit more. I redid the ponytail. Now it's smooth from all sides, like it should be. Now I'm going to move this streak here, that goes in there, and this time I use a needle for it. I use the original marking here for pushing or pulling it into my ponytail. Let's see. I see the old where the old rubber band sat, and I put the new one in the same height so that it is conform. And then I'm going to pull this into her ponytail. It's a diagonal. It's not straight, it's diagonal. The marking is diagonal. And then you push gently. I have a little spatula here to have a little more room for the streak to come through, and it's coming. I hope you can see it, it's coming through. Sie kommt, die Strähne kommt, und ich habe gerade das Gummi gerissen. I destroyed the rubber band, but I have a starting point here where I can use my needle. I think the right swirl has a little bit to do with that you swirl it a little bit to get it in the right position. I can't prove it, but I'm sure that it has to do something with a swirl, because when you don't swirl it, you don't get the nice shape of the hair. Okay, I redesigned my plan. I did it like I did it last summer when I did the redhead ponytail. Now I have it in the ponytail itself. That's not so much the problem, but I have to adjust it a little bit because I have it a little bit too tight here, the front part of it. And I'm going to adjust this in a minute. Okay, now let's do the last step. We wrap this streak here around the ponytail holder, wrap it once completely, and then we have to push the last streak in the hair. Okay, I still have to comb her ponytail here a little bit. Ich muss ihren Zopf hier unten noch ein bisschen kämmen, aber vom Prinzip her sind wir dann fertig. Then we're almost done. Ich habe auch noch ihre Schleife, einen Teil ihrer alten Schleife. I still have a part of her original I hope you like my little ponytail restoration video, ponytail swirl restoration hairstyle as a creative solution that you can see another time how I do this. It's not complicated, but you need a little bit of experience to do it in a perfect way. And I think I still have learned something today about these old dolls. Stay tuned in, every Friday comes a new exciting video. Visit me on Facebook or Instagram, send me a message if you want. Give me a little thumbs up, and yeah, see you next Friday, my dear fellow collectors.